Will AI replace designers? Instead of sidelining human designers, AI might become a valuable partner in the design process.
AI will not replace us. A person using AI will. You've probably seen this already. And I just want everybody to think of themselves as the person who will use AI to win the AI race and thrive in the AI age. My personal take on this is that it's far from being able to replace designers because of a couple of reasons. The first one being that AI can't yet figure out what problems to solve. So essentially, AI can't understand that there's this person that has their own particular background, history, experiences, personality, quirks, irrational behavior, so their entire psychological landscape. And this person has these needs, and these needs manifest themselves in a certain environment, in a context. And so AI can't yet make those connections, and it doesn't have systems thinking capabilities in the way that us humans have, plus empathy and other things.
You can already integrate AI into your design workflow to stay ahead of the curve, enhance your capabilities, and future-proof your career.